Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to upload a full video to your Facebook story, even if it's longer than 26 seconds. Normally, Facebook cuts your video into short 26-second segments, and sometimes it even limits the total length. But with this trick, you can upload longer videos easily. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook app and tap on Create Story. Now, instead of recording directly in the app, choose a pre-recorded video from your gallery that's longer than 26 seconds. Once selected, Facebook will automatically trim it into parts. But here's the catch: if the video is too long, it might skip or cut some portions. To avoid that, use a free video splitter app like InShot, VN, or UCut. Just split your long video into 26-second clips and save them in order. Now go back to your Facebook and upload the clips one by one in sequence to your story. This way your viewers can watch the full video smoothly, just like one long story. And that's it. No more time limits stopping your content. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.